Climate change is the biggest humanitarian crisis that we are seeing today. Extreme weather, floods, drought, depletion of water table, degeneration of soil. But the biggest victims of climate change are smallholder farmers. 85% of our farmers have less than 5-acre land, and they are already facing problem of low productivity, poor access to water, and extremely uncertain weather situations. With Cisco, we co-created a program to bring solutions to farmers for improving climate resilience. And we worked with 7 innovators who have been trying to solve these problems.
Hi, I'm Manoj Kumar, and initially we were working at Indian Institute of Horticulture Research. Means we have been more working towards sustainable solutions using microbiologicals, and we have been working on developing the novel formulations for sustainable agriculture. And at the same time, there is a good scope for the biologicals to grow in the country because the chemicals are fading out, and there is a good demand for the sustainable agriculture. So that's where we have started this startup, Capsware Agri-Science.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எதுவுமே கிராப் கல்டிவேட் பண்ணியிருக்கல. ஒரு 75 சென்ட்டில் பஜ்ஜி சாகுபடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அவர் ராமநாதன்ட்டு அவர் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணார். சாயில் டெஸ்ட் எடுத்து அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் என்னென்ன நியூட்ரியன்ட் இருக்குன்ட்டு அது கொடுத்து அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் பஜ்ஜி சாகுபடி பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
We start our own company and develop these formulations which will help the farming community in a better way, reducing the chemical pesticides, and comparative to the chemical products, these are cost effective.
Developing this product, and this was not like any passion based, it was a need based innovation what I developed. It was basically started with the problems which we face in our own organic farm, which is 40 years old, a third generation organic farming what we were doing in a big 700 acres. So there we encountered this huge animal problem, started from elephant, wild pig, porcupine, bats, parrots and deers. These were the 5 major problems which we were encountering in our orchard. We were suggested to go to Tamil Nadu Agriculture University for a scientific validation, and that is where we got into the incubation center, and then we came up with the name and the trademark as Herbolive Plus. We were basically into developing products for pest control in bio. After the university in 2015, they validated this, and from there we came into the field and commercialized it.
हमने ऐड देखा फेसबुक पे बोर चार्जर का, उस ऐड से हमने देखा तो सही लग रहा मेरे को, इसके वास्ते उसके ऑनलाइन किया मैंने. बाद में सर का फ़ोन आया मेरे को, टीम आए और बोर चार्जर करने के लिए मैंने.
We place all these system on each bore well where we would like to do the bore charger implementation, and then we lower it down. Remote operatable, I would say, equipment. So when tool gets inside, it can move till 20 to 30 degrees so that it can cut the slits inside the casing.
माझ्या भावाला त्यावेळी औषध फवारणी करताना विष बाधा झाली होती आणि त्यातून असं वाटलं की आपण औषध फवारणीसाठी काहीतरी बनवलं पाहिजे, आणि त्यावेळी माझ्या वडिलांनी मला सांगितलं होतं की आमच्यासाठी काहीतरी करा. म्हणजे शेतकरी पारंपरिक पद्धतीने फवारणी करतात, तर त्यामध्ये ते काय करतात, तर 16 लिटरची टँक पाठीवर घेतात आणि फवारणी करतात. तर पाठीवर घेऊन फवारणी करताना काय की औषध अंगावर सांडणे, आणि 16 लिटरची टँक ही कायम पाठीवर असते. तर हे सोडवण्यासाठी आम्ही हा व्हील बेस स्प्रेयर बनवला. यामध्ये तुम्हाला कोणतीही टँक पाठीवर घ्यायची गरज नाही, तुम्हाला फक्त हे हँडल पकडायचं आहे. हँडल पकडून तुम्ही जसं फॉरवर्ड किंवा रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शनला चालाल तसं यामध्ये चाक रोटेट होईल आणि फवारणी करेल. तर अशा पद्धतीचं हा आम्ही फवारणी पंप बनवला. यामध्ये आमच्याकडं वेगवेगळे व्हेरियंट्स अवेलेबल आहेत, जसं की मॅन्युअल, बॅटरी ऑपरेटेड, 2 in 1, इंजिन ऑपरेटेड आणि सोलार ऑपरेटेड असे एक वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे व्हरायटीज किंवा वेगवेगळ्या टाईप्स आमच्याकडं अवेलेबल आहेत.
We have built some innovative products, and we have taken some products to commercialization by starting a company, Proximal Soil Sense.
So for one set of soil testing, 5 grams of soil. So we have put 1 gram of soil in each of the vials. As you can see, these vials are labeled and reusable vials are there. So once the soil settles down, as you can see, now it is ready for the testing. So these are the strips, and we have our farmer app. I've already created the field. For example, let's test for maize. Now it says device connected successfully. With the help of this dropper, I will take some 2 to 3 drops of this liquid and press fetch data.
India itself, we have 200 million hectares of land and 14 crore farmers. So that get converted to again a huge potential for soil testing.
Now, thermocol particularly is something that not a lot of people are talking about. Thermocol recycling as of today is less than 1%. What it means is that almost every thermocol that is made would either be burned or it would end up in a landfill. So we are solving two major problems with a single innovation. Our manufacturing process, the core fundamental process is a biotechnology process. So what we do is we've identified a mushroom strain, we modified the mushroom strain. Now this mushroom strain eats the material as food and starts growing on it. While growing, it spreads its roots, which we call as mycelium. Now this mycelium acts like a natural binder. So there is no chemical used in the end-to-end process, and hence the product is completely biodegradable in just 60 days.
This is Dr. Vijay Kumar Ramalingam. I am a veterinarian and co-founder of Animata Agritech. Our innovative bot, disease diagnosis bot in WhatsApp, that will interact like a veterinarian and collect all the data necessary for doing the disease diagnosis. And after doing the diagnosis, the bot will connect with the right solution. The solution is not an antibiotic or a chemical drug. It is a completely herbal ethno-veterinary solution.
It's great to see how Krishi Mangal is identifying and providing a platform for some of the most promising agri-tech startups to develop their products, sharpen their value proposition, enhance their capabilities, localize their solutions, and build organization at scale. The program supports solutions that are creating impact at multiple levels. For instance, we are supporting a solution that are turning agricultural waste into sustainable packaging material, thereby addressing environmental pollution and the long festering challenges of low profitability and productivity that have aggravated over time in the agriculture sector.